If you're anything like me, finding a skincare product that actually works for your skin is important and can be hard to do. I'm not as young as I used to be, so I need something that will add moisture to my skin, something that will help with fine lines, texture and firmness, and even battle against crepey skin. I've tried so many different things, but I want to share with you something I recently discovered. This is Hygiea. It actually works to repair skin cell damage at the source and restore your skin to a more youthful appearance. You can apply this cream to your arms, your legs, hands, neck, and face. It helps to firm loose and saggy skin. It hydrates from the inside out, and it restores the skin cell's ability to regenerate. It's perfect for anyone that wants help with crepey skin or wants to see less of those aggravating fine lines and crow's feet. Just apply a pea-sized amount to the desired area and massage in the cream for at least a minute. Then allow additional time for the liposomes to absorb into your skin. You only need a thin layer of this cream. Due to its liposomal nature, it absorbs much more than topical creams. I liked following one of their tips, and I spritz my skin with purified water after applying the cream. It gives me amazing results. And did I mention you only need to use this cream one time a day? I use it first thing in the morning, right under my makeup. But what really makes Hygiea so effective is the science behind it. They use a liposomal system to deliver a unique combination of idebenone, retinol, hyaluronic acid, and other proven cosmeceutical agents. So how does this help you? Well, first, it helps firm your skin. You're probably pretty familiar with retinol. It's a very powerful skin-firming ingredient, widely known for its amazing ability to tighten and firm loose, saggy skin. Next, it's hydrating. Hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its weight in water. And because Hygiea is liposomal, it delivers that water directly to your skin cells. Third, it's effective. Have you heard of idebenone? It's one of the most powerful antioxidants on earth. Idebenone has long been known in the pharmaceutical field, but only recently became known in the skincare industry. This amazing antioxidant works to eliminate free radicals that prevent skin cells from regenerating. Lastly, like I mentioned before, it's liposomal. That means it absorbs to the deepest layers of your skin, unlike topical cream, which only works on the surface. To effectively treat crepey skin, you must attack the source, which are the free radicals that are preventing your skin cells from regenerating. I could go on, but you really need to try it for yourself. Hygiea is my new go-to skincare product. Give it a try if you're like me and you want to restore your skin to its more youthful appearance.